Hey viewers, how's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's staying home, safe and healthy during this time. Anyway, I thought it might be kind of a fun challenge to see how fast I can replace a pair of worn grips. I'm going to time this. So to remove them, I'm going to be using compressed air, and to install the new ones, I'm going to be using isopropyl alcohol. So let's see how fast I can do it. Ready? Go. Done. So there you go. I replaced the grips in under 9 seconds. That might be the fastest recorded time ever. A world record, maybe. So what do you guys think? You guys think you can do better? Go ahead and give it a shot. Shoot a video. Put it out on YouTube. Post a link down in the comments down there. Maybe hashtag Speed Grip Challenge. We'll make a big challenge out of it. Hopefully you found this video useful or interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button. Be sure to click that bell to get notified of new videos when they come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I'll post a ton of stuff over there. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching and stay safe.